Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The leader of the opposition and AITC leader of the state, Dr. Mukul M Sangma, had briefed newspersons on the 18th of August 2022 on various issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters, Dr. Mukul Sangma informed that as an opposition, the TMC has tried to draw attention of the government on serious alleged irregularities, especially in the power sector under the MeECL, in relation to the cost of installation of smart meters. On this, Sangma further informed that he has written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to institute an independent inquiry on issues affecting the socio-political health of the people of the state. At the same time, Dr. Mukul Sangma reiterated the fact that there have been huge discrepancies in the market price of smart meters in comparison to price that the contractors were awarded. He also added that such issues concerning the state should be taken in the right earnest.
We wanted to know the market price of these particular models, the models which are indicated here, you see in the social media page of none other than the then Power Minister. Okay. This particular model, what is the price? This is available in the website, and the difference between the open market price and the price that was awarded to. That is the reason why I have always insisted that government should indicate the measures taken to ensure the price determination exercise. And the Commission of Inquiry has already been ordered. We are told, as was reported by media and as was reported to the people by the government itself, that the report pertaining to that very inquiry by the Commission of Inquiry has been submitted to the state government. It is not yet made public, nor we are aware of the outcome of that inquiry. But even before this inquiry report has been made public, what is the activities going on in the MeECL? Has the DISCOM been instructed to post in the process of payment of the so-called against the implementation of those shady deals? No. The payment continues. The work continues. Therefore, it is again of a serious nature. When the government has promised the people of the state to respond to the demand for inquiry, and they have instituted a commission of inquiry. Therefore, the Commission of Inquiry pending the report, the government should have given all the instruction if they are honest in their intent. Therefore, it is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Go further by looking at the terms of reference of that Commission of Inquiry. The government does not have a terms of reference which was indicated in their notification for instituting an inquiry under the Commission of Inquiry. Specific terms of reference pertaining to these alleged irregularities, whether it is in respect of Subhagya or whether it is in respect of the smart meter related. I have decided to draw the attention of the Honorable Prime Minister himself, keeping in mind his commitment to the nation, to ensure that probity in public life is demonstrated by all concerned, and any instances of alleged corruptions will be in other words, I think the exact interpretation is that the Honorable Prime Minister has promised all of us, to the nation, to ensure zero tolerance against corruption. I repeat, assured all of us, assured the nation, zero tolerance against corruption. That's why with my expectations of prompt response from none other than the Prime Minister himself, I have decided to write this letter urging him to institute an independent inquiry under the supervision of concerned ministers, a delegated ministry dedicated for this purpose.